A subset is a portion or group of set that is within a defined set, sometimes called as proper subset. It can be written using this notation. It means 1, 2, and 3 is a subset of the set 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, consider the set 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We can also say that the set 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 is also a subset. The set 1, 2 is also a proper subset of the set 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, 6 and 7 is not a subset since these two elements are not included in the original set. Also, 1, 3, 6 is not a subset since 6 is not included. Take note that the empty set or the null set is also a subset of set 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Next, the complement of a set is a set that is contain elements in the universal set which are not contained in a given set. For example, the set A wherein the complement of set A denoted by a prime are the elements that are not included or not contained in a set A. For example, consider the universal set U that contains this element of A, or a set A contains 1, 4, 5, and 6. Then the complement of A or A prime are all the elements that are not included in set A but include in the universal set, which is 2, 3, 7, 8, 9, and 0. If set B are the elements of set 1, 2, and 3, then the complement of B are the elements in the universal set that are not in set B. Lastly, if C or the set C contains all the elements from the universal set, then the complement of C is a null set. Let us proceed now to set operation. The first operation for set is the union, or the union of set. Considers set A and B where the union of set A and B, denoted by the symbol U, is the set that contain all the elements that belong to A or to B or to both. You can write the union of set using this notation or by a Venn diagram. The union of set A and B looks like this. For example, let set A be the set with elements 1, 3, 4, and 5. Set B with elements 3, 4, 7, and 8. Union of A and B, or A or B, is equivalent to all the elements for both A and B, which is 1, 3, 4, and 5, 7, and 8. Set operation is what we call the intersection. So, considering A and B, intersection of the set denoted by the inverted symbol for the union is the set of elements common to both A and B. It can be written with this notation, or using the Venn diagram is the intersection between the two circles. For example, let the set A be the set with elements 1, 3, 4, and 5, and set B with elements 3, 4, 7, and 8. Then the intersection of A and B is given by elements that are both the same for A and B, which is the 3 and 4. Let's look at this final example. Let the universal set U be equal to the set of elements from 1 to 12, and set A and B and C as follow. What is the A intersection of the complement of B union C? Now, To solve this kind of set operation, you can solve it by parts. Begin with the union of B and C, wherein the union is equivalent to the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now, since you need its complement, you can easily get the complement of the set as 9, 10, 11, and 12. Now, solving its intersection with A, the only element that are similar to its complement and A are the elements 9 and 10, so the answer is the elements 9 and 10.